been at Meier for 4 years, and I stay here at Meier because I'm really curious to see where else we can go.
What we do is we build products that our customers use in surgery and different parts of the medical field.
What really excites me about my work is coming in and doing something new every day.
We strive for precision in our machine because we understand that quality impacts lives.
We get to see from development to the end of the project what it's doing and how it's making an impact to not only the customer but also the customer's customers, right? The patient.
I like to solve problems, whether that problem is for our customers and the end patients or whether that problem is here at Meier. I want to make things better. That's why I became an engineer.
This environment is a very friendly environment.
Everybody is here to help each other out. Everybody has experience in everything that we do here.
Since I'm fairly new to the business, any question that I have, I can just go to anyone, and it's super nice to be able to learn so much from people around me.
I'm always looking forward to coming to work. I have great teammates. I have great support, great assistance, on every level.
I've been doing this for 25 years, and I don't want to say I'm an expert because I learn something new every day.
I've seen a lot of great innovations in the medical industry with what we do here, and it's really exciting to see what else we can come up with.